So this is the website of Arduino.cc, and you can learn a lot of things here, especially project making. But for this website, we need to install the software, the Arduino software. So let's go to the software tab, menu I mean. When you click it, and you have a lot of options here. We have for Windows, for Linux, for Mac OS. But for this tutorial, we will be clicking this one since I'm Windows 10. So let's click the Windows 7 and viewer. Okay. If you are curious about Linux ARM, so basically it's commonly used in Raspberry Pi platforms. So let's click this one. If you have enough money to donate to the organization and to those who develop Arduino, so you can put it here. Okay, but for now, let's just click just download and save it wherever you want it. Okay, I've already installed the software here. So this is the Arduino.